Hello there, this is Elio and Chengish, and we've taken part for DevSoc 2021, and we are Team Link Marines. So for DevSoc 2021, we've built De-VroomNFT. De-VroomNFT is basically a decentralized VROOM-VROOM NFT marketplace. So by VROOM-VROOM, you get it that it is a car racing game. So it is a decentralized racing game with NFT rewards and an NFT marketplace. So what we've created. The project involves a game which runs on the Ethereum Rinkaby blockchain and has a marketplace to mint and trade NFTs among players. It uses Chainlink VRFs to generate randomness for the NFTs and also assigns attributes like speed and nitrox for the minted NFTs. So basically the character in the game is the car, and the NFTs which are minted are basically the characters in the game. So the game is built using Phaser, and upon winning the game, the player can mint a new car and upgrade an existing car. So the characters in this game is an NFT, ERC-721 token itself, that can be minted and traded with other players inside the game. So we also have created an NFT marketplace where NFT collectors, creators and artists can contribute to with illustrations of cars, roadmaps, etc. And we are working to create a decentralized autonomous organization wherein we mint our very own ERC-20 token, namely VROOM, which can be used to reward the players after every level pass along with an NFT. The artworks with the highest number of votes get rewarded with VROOM tokens on a certain epoch by the game creators. So these VROOM tokens can be further used to trade your favorite NFTs in exchange. All the images in the NFTs and metadata are pinned to the IPFS interplanetary file system. So this is the tech stack that we've used. Next, we are also using the Rarible Protocol to mint an NFT and display them on the storefront by fetching metadata pinned to the Pinata IPFS network, and it is still a work in progress. So this is some of the progress that we've done so far, and we are continuing to do it. Now let me go through the gameplay. So this is the gameplay, and this is a game which is built with Phaser.js. So in Web3, every user has to log in with MetaMask. Let me log in with my MetaMask. So my MetaMask is running on the Rinkaby test network. This is my address, and I'm having some test Ethereum and some test Link tokens. So here I can select my car, and I can also transfer my car to another user. So let me play a game by selecting my car. So this is level 3 and this is speed of 13. After every level pass, your level of the car gets upgraded to another level. So you can create a new battle and compete in an existing one. I'm going to create a new battle for now. So this is the game. So I've completed the game in a total of 7.16 seconds. Now it's time to challenge my score with the other players. So this is a taxation that's taking place, and the transaction requires test ether from my Rinkaby test network. So I'm confirming the transaction, and I will be getting a confirmed transaction message as soon as possible, after which my game time will get registered, and along with the battle ID as 24. So let me log in again and show how we can transfer our car to another user. So this is De-VroomNFT, the name of the game. The token ID 29 that we just minted right now, and you can take an Ethereum address like this, like an Ethereum address of your own friend, and send him an NFT transfer. Transaction always takes some time, so the transaction 722 has been confirmed. You can view the transaction on Etherscan. You get the data, the transaction hash, and all the necessary details. Next comes the NFT marketplace that I've created. So once you win the game, we have created a marketplace for every user who participates in this game. That is, you can vote for cars, you can vote for racetracks, you can go to your garage, view your NFTs, and you can also mint NFTs using the Rarible Protocol. Let me go to vote for cars. So this is a place for artists and NFT creators who create their artwork and publish it to a game. So on a certain epoch, the creators of the game may acknowledge the artist with the highest number of votes. Like, we have a voting feature, and the artist with the highest number of votes will be rewarded with a ERC20 token that we are working on, that is the VROOM token. So this is a form to upload your artwork. Like, you can give the name of the character and the description, your wallet address for you to get rewarded once you upload, your email, and then submit it. Next, we also have a marketplace wherein NFT creators create roadmaps for the game. Next, I go to my garage. You can see that I have been connected via my Ethereum address. So this is my Ethereum Rinkeby address, and these are my NFTs. So these are some of the previously minted NFTs which are there in this collection, in this cabinet. And you can see every NFT has a different token ID, 0, 1, 2, 9, 13, 14, 15, and so on. And every NFT has unique attributes like speed and nitrox. That is, this is 63 and 9, 12 and 2, 77 and 1. So these attributes are generated using something known as the Chainlink VRF. So Chainlink VRF is a verifiable randomness function which is used to generate random numbers in your smart contract. So we generate them using Chainlink VRF contracts which we have written in our code. So this is a ERC721 smart contract. So we are making use of ERC721 from Open Zeppelin. We are also making use of VRF consumer base.solidity from Chainlink and enable and string solidity files. And so this has all the functions necessary to mint a new NFT after the player wins a particular game. So these are some of the NFTs generated, and now let me generate and mint. Let me mint my own NFT now. So again, logging via the Rinkeby test network, I confirm the transaction, and my NFT will be minted as soon as the transaction is approved on the Rinkeby blockchain. And when I refresh this screen, you'll be able to see another NFT. So all these images of cars are stored on something called as the IPFS. So storing images on the Ethereum blockchain is quite expensive, so we store it on the IPFS. So here are some of the images that I've stored, and you can also get a shareable link of each and every image. So these images and all the metadata is pinned to the IPFS, and it is loaded to the front end using Axios. So this was all about our project, and we are also working on integrating the Rarible Protocol, which I'll be doing soon. So I'll be making use of the Rarible Protocol to mint NFTs and pin them to the IPFS pinata and fetch them from the IPFS to my front end as part of the Rarible sponsor track. So I enjoyed building for the DevSoc' Hackathon, and it was a very enriching and a valuable learning experience for me. Thank you. Yeah, so what's next for our game? So we would be working on the VROOM token, which uses Chainlink adapters to fetch Chainlink prices and assigns the same price to the ERC20 VROOM token. So if you have one VROOM token, after suppose you win a particular game, you win one VROOM token whose price will be equal to the price of one link token. Link refers to Chainlink. So with these ERC720 tokens, you could trade NFTs in exchange and also get access to all the paid tokens in the game, like purchasing NFTs and trading NFTs, etc. Right now we are still in level 1 of the game, and we have only one track for the game, and we may work on further more tracks in the future. So these are the screenshots, and that's all about our project. Thank you so much for listening patiently.